Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Finance with Alex, and I'm your host Alex, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about a couple of different places. Well, hold on, let me rewind real quick. I don't want to get there yet. In today's video, it's going to be pretty much how you can multiply any money at all that you put in these couple of places. These key places are going to be instant free money makers for anybody. So just please make sure you watch this video to the very end because this is just free money. If you're interested in cryptos, this is for you. There's an opportunity here. If you're into Tesla or any of these EV companies, then this is also an opportunity for you. And I'm going to tell you why it's going to be a pretty big opportunity in just a very short amount of time. I'm going to tell you where you can put the money. I'm going to tell you why you should put it there. And I'm going to tell you why it's only going to go up in these couple of different aspects in all these different investments. So we're going to mix it up a little bit. It's going to be predominantly cryptos, but we're also going to include a little bit of the stock market. So make sure that you stay tuned. This time, now that you guys know the gist of where this video is going, I have to let you guys know that we are doing a 500 XRP giveaway. So 500 XRP giveaway. We are doing this on every single video. Last time I said 750 likes to get this 500 XRP winner, but we're gonna make it something a little bit more feasible. Since this channel is growing slowly, thank you guys very much for the support, we're gonna make it 250 likes in 24 hours. So I literally just chopped it 500 likes. We're talking about real-time sensitive information where you guys can make boatloads of money. So if you guys enjoy things like that, you're gonna have to stick around here. This is the place to be. Thank you for the support, and we're only gonna be going up from here. This channel is based upon value, so if you're new here, make sure that you join the value pack content. It is free. All right guys, so now we have some really big news. Coinbase, as you guys have already heard, or for the people who are first to hear this, Coinbase is now supporting Spark Token's airdrop, and if you guys follow the crypto news closely, you may have heard about this, but this is going to be one of the big driving factors as to why XRP is going to be a very nice moneymaker in the short period of time. So make sure you pack your bags on that one. And I just want to let you guys know before we go any further into the video, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not buy, sell, or make any financial decisions based on anything that we say or do here on the channel, because that would be super dumb. I am just a random guy from the internet box speaking to you about the things that make me happy and excited. So please keep that in mind before making any decisions from things that you hear here. So let's get back to it. Now, the support from Coinbase, it's big, okay? Spark Token airdrop, XRP holders are salivating, they're drooling right now. They don't know what to do, except they don't need to do anything. They just need to stay put. They need to eat their popcorn and chill, because this is where all the fun begins. People are only just gonna be looking at themselves and sitting on their hands from this point forward, asking themselves, why didn't I buy XRP? Didn't he and so say that it was bad and it was going to zero? Why didn't I get a piece of this? Let's talk a little bit more about this support. Spark Token airdrop to XRP holders. This is going to be great. It's happening December 12th. The San Francisco-based exchange, Coinbase, said in a blog post that Coinbase customers with XRP balances as of midnight on December 12th, 2020 will receive Spark tokens from Coinbase at a later date. This is pretty big news considering that they were going to be one of the only exchanges to not partake in this, and people were super salty. So I'm glad that Coinbase realized that they're leaving lots of money on the table, being stingy and stubborn about being unified as one with the crypto community, so they changed their mind. I can't say that I anticipated it, but I'm glad they did it, and I know for sure that a lot of people are. Now, the amount of Spark you'll receive depends on how much XRP you had in your account at the snapshot time. Coinbase wrote, details about the airdrop will be posted this week, a company spokesperson told CoinDesk. Spark is the native token of the Flare network, a system meant to bring Ethereum-like functionality to XRP Ledger. Flare's token, Spark, is created through what may be the first ever utility fork whereby the original network, in this case the XRP ledger, benefits through increased utility. The team behind the smart contract project wrote in August, okay, XRP is nearly up 10% over the last 24 hours as of press time. Awesome. So yes, this is just a little bit of where we're going. So now to push on into the video, just want to let you guys know, we are doing that 500 XRP giveaway. If you guys are new to the channel or passing by here for the first time, I post here Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I come to you guys all the time, no breaks, okay? Let us know where you're coming in from, where you're viewing. We're here from Miami. This video is being broadcasted from Miami. But as you guys can see here, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have a whole bunch of videos that just are crafted around the idea of you being able to make money. So make sure you get a load of that. Check it out. You know, people usually find niche, but I'm just interested in so many different things, from cryptos to the stock market to Forex to you know, having a phone store, buying and selling phones, repairing them. I just have my hands and feet in so many different things that I just feel like sharing it is something good. You can check it out if you want, but we also got how I'm able to drive exotic cars for absolutely free. So if you're interested in stuff like that, just how to hack life and make the most of it, then just come over to this page and do some free shopping, window shopping, click on it, and it's yours. Next up, we're going to take a look at the crypto heat map. So BTC in the red. Looks like all major altcoins are in the red, but this isn't a big deal. Consolidation, guys. This is the consolidation phase. Do not sell out of fear. Don't be the one who wants to jump off a window or jump off the roof and nosedive, or nosedive out of your window into the concrete because you sold too early. We have Bitcoin at $19,099.64, down 0.55%. ETH, $589.06. XRP next is trading right now at 0.60 cents, down 0.76%. And we have Chainlink at $13.01. Right now it's up, or is that, well, it's down, it's red, duh. It's down 1.9%. And then, you know, we have all the other guys here, like Bitcoin Cash here at the bottom, $283.07, red also. And there's a couple other ones, XLM, 16 cents, we can do a 16.8, down 2.86%. So now we are going to check out something that you guys could be making tons of money on, and this is far left. This has nothing to do with cryptos, but like I just prepared you guys, this is something that is going to make you guys some good money. Even if you're late to the party, look, and I'll tell you, this number, it could be pretty crazy to most, but it's very achievable. We already made some really big gains today, nice movement, and we're going to continue to do so, especially with the S&P news, the S&P inclusion with Tesla. Not only that, but in early 2021, we're going to be having earnings. Even though they were a company that wasn't really profitable on their sales, this is slowly becoming the opposite. They're becoming profitable. They are cutting margins and making things more accessible to people in order to boost their output and make things more profitable as a whole, and for their shareholders, of course. So check it out. And then not too far from that, they're going to be also releasing their deliveries. They're going to be letting everyone know how many vehicles they have manufactured in X amount of time, and then they'll give us the projected amount, which was last time we looked into this, it was like 1 million cars a year. So Mr. Elon Musk wanted. So we're going to see how we've progressed very soon with that. And here it is. So target price for Tesla, $800 on S&P 500 inclusion. Fund manager says, and you know, without this fund manager, I still feel the same way. I've always felt this way. I have a very nice, comfy basket of holdings for Tesla. And that's because I've always seen this company only going to the moon. Now, I'm not that irrational to the moon Tesla type of dude, but you know, there's just a lot of value here, and it could very well be, you know, at the very beginning of something magnificent if it continues treading in the direction that it's been. Very strong start, and it's got much more room to go. So they didn't give us too much information on here, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is the case right here, so take a look at it. Next, I want you guys to check out that Bitcoin, Ripple, and XRP weekly technicals are looking super juicy. Bitcoin has finally closed on a weekly basis, the highest for quite some time, and you know, to say the least, this is what fund managers are looking for. They don't really look at the daily, they don't look at the hourly or the 4-hour chart. They're looking at the monthly and they're looking at the weekly, and they want to see what is going on before they decide to put any type of, or allocate any type of funds into that direction. And so just the fact that Bitcoin has closed bullish on the weekly scale, it's a very good sign, or actually I think on the monthly and on the weekly, but either way, very bullish. So now if you guys want to just look a little bit, Bitcoin rose by 6.67% in the week ending 6th of December, reversing a 1.05 loss from the previous week. Bitcoin ended the week at $19,410. So basically, it was a bullish start to the week. Bitcoin rallied from Monday intra-week low at $18,196. I don't know why they keep adding the decimal with the zero. That's annoying to me. You know, you don't really have to put the zero so many times. Look, they just keep putting that zero there. It's so annoying. So anyways, 18,196 Tuesday intra-week high, and the new swing high of 19,956 before hitting reverse. So that's where we found there was some resistance here at 19,956. Depending on what exchanges you were watching from, it says that it broke all-time high. Some did, some didn't. Coinbase didn't. So from my perspective, we still are yet to see an all-time high. But if you were looking elsewhere, then you probably already seen it. But I don't care. Doesn't count. Even though Coinbase is one of the least preferred holdings for cryptos, I do use them, and yeah, so it might change eventually, but for now I don't want to move anything around. I have everything situated pretty nicely, so let's just wait for some fireworks. For the week ahead, Bitcoin would need to avoid a fall through $19,187, pivot to support a run, the first major resistance level at $20,179, and following this, support from the broader market would be needed for Bitcoin to break out from its last week's high of $19,956. And I was telling you guys that this is good information because we'll have the fund managers eyeing this very closely. They'll want a piece of it, trust me. So now for the last page of the day, let's just take a look here. Where was I going? Oh, you know something? I should have had this page open when I was letting you guys know about the monthly candles. So this was just a page I was going to have open for you guys to see how everything's been progressing. Looking real nice. It's on that real strong uptrend. Since October 12th, it's looking just like it's just going up, up, up and away. If you guys look around over here, it had a nice little correction November 27th. It started on right around here on the 25th and came down right around Thanksgiving time frame. But looks like we are going back. We're coming back up. So it's going to be super exciting. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you guys are tuned into this channel so that we can share everything, all of our experiences, our gains. I am super excited to see where cryptos are going in the near term. It could be in a couple weeks, could be a couple days, could be a couple months. But the money that you put in these couple of different categories and subtopics that we talked about on this channel, I promise you, they are going nowhere but north. So like I said, don't do anything based on anything that I say or do, especially when it comes to investments. But just want you guys to do your due diligence, do some research, follow the information that I'm saying, and see where you can take it, because this is going to be nothing but opportunity. Make sure you get in on this wealth transfer because it will leave you behind, and we don't want to get left behind. That's why we're here. So, as always, guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope someone wins this 500 XRP, and we'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, peace. And now I know my heart is a gold.